how to add passkey to Roblox. So what I've done here is I've just loaded up the Roblox application. In the bottom right, we want to click on more. And then here we will go into settings. Now from the settings, we will go into account info. And you will see this login methods, tired of password, add passkey. Click on add passkey. And it's going to ask me for a pin here. So just add this pin, unlock, add a passkey. Passkeys are the most security and easy way to log into your Roblox account. Click on continue. Here it's going to show me this. So I'll just change the verification method. I'll use my password and I'll just log in with this. It's going to use Face ID and I'll verify. Now, once we have done this, it's going to show like this. So use Face ID to sign in. A passkey for all, that's my account, will be saved. So here we'll just click on continue and it's going to use Face ID to sign me in. And it's going to show us this passkey created successfully. That's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub and I'll see you next time.